Join us this January 2025 for a 30 days fasting and prayer. Team Total Turnaround, taking place Wednesday the 1st through Thursday the 30th of January 2025. Time: morning section 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Evening section 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. First service 5:40 a.m. Second service 7 a.m. Third service 8:30 a.m. Fourth service 10:30 a.m. with your host Pastor Tochukwu.
By the authority of the Holy Ghost, that anyone hearing the sound of my voice, business opportunities are open. I see foreign business opportunity. I see business opportunity in 7 zeros, in 6 zeros, in 10 zeros. Receive opportunity. Anyone that your grace has dried up, the grace that make you see money without begging, the grace that make job comes for you, the grace that makes people call you for favor, every grace that makes you were eating 3 square meal before, today you are eating 1. That grace is restored.
For inquiry, please call 091-231-55966 or 080-396-20383. Venue number 55 Isashi Road, beside Mobile Filling Station off Gospel Bus Stop, Isashi, Lagos State, Nigeria. Don't miss it. Be there.